Hello, we are a twinning team from Serbia.
Hello,
I'm Anya.
my name is Vanya. I'm 10 years old.
Me too. I'm from Belgrade.
In Serbia, I like music,
I play volleyball.
and that's us.
Goodbye.
Bye!
Hello, I am Veiko. I am 10. I like watching movies and I like Italian food. Hello, I am Pablo. I'm 10 and I love volleyball. I am very friendly.
We are best friends.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Sarah. My birthday is in September. I'm 10. My school is Mitraljeta. I love animals and my school. Bye.
Hello, my name is Boyan and I'm 10 years old and I'm from Serbia and I like playing video games and I don't like playing football. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Lana. My birthday is in November. I'm 10. I love basketball and I don't like football. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Angela. I'm 10. I'm from Serbia. I love school and I love animals. I have a lot of friends. Bye.
Hello, my name is Pet. I'm from Serbia and I live in Batajnica. I go to Svetislav Golubović Mitraljeta school. I like listening to Rihanna songs and I don't like eating the fruit. My hobby is fishing, catch and release. It's all. Bye. Good afternoon. My name is Anya. I am 10 years old. I live in Serbia and my city is Belgrade. My teacher is Anica and my school is Mitraljeta. I love school and sports. I play athletic. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Serbia. I like folklore. I don't like football. I like animals. Bye.
Hello, I'm Angelina. I'm 9. My school is Mitraljeta. I'm from Serbia. I love music and sport. I play volleyball. Bye.
Hello, I'm Angela and I'm Teodora. I'm 10. My school, Mitraljeta. I live in Serbia. I like animals. I don't like football. I'm 10. My school is Mitraljeta. I live in Serbia. I like music. I don't like basketball. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Anya and I'm 10. My school is Mitraljeta. I like football and I don't like rats. And
Hi, my name is Danilo. I'm from Serbia. I'm 10. I have a dog. Its name is Pulki. I like football. I don't like music. Bye.
Hi, I'm Angela. I'm 10. I play folklore. My best friend is Anya. I like music and animals. Bye.
Hello, my name is Milica. I'm 10. I'm from Batajnica, Serbia. I like English, music, and sport. Bye.
Hi, I'm Nina. I'm 10. I like football and I don't like basketball. I like school and my friends. My birthday is on July 17th. Bye.
Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Serbia. I like folklore and animals. I don't like football. My best friends are Nina, Milica, Sarah, and Lana. Bye.
Hello, my name is Nevena. I'm 10. I like music, sport, and animals. My best friend is Angela. I'm from Serbia. My school is Mitraljeta. Bye.